my channel. It's your girl Millie, aka Millie Me. And if this is your first time here, much love. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you guys all. Thank you guys for all making your way to my channel, period. Y'all already know the vibe. Let me have some respect. As you can tell by the title already, I'm going to be doing a eye contact video, and I'll be collaborating with JUST4KIRA. If you're anybody that's ever been on YouTube, you've probably seen this brand around. Yeah, they definitely been floating on YouTube for a minute, so you probably definitely should have heard of them. And I really love this company because they have a whole bunch of different color options for like specific eye colors. So like if you have a brown color, if you have brown eyes, they have contacts that fit perfectly. And obviously I have dark brown eyes, so I bought all my shade colors for the brown eyes, period. So all of them is gonna have a touch of brown, but they are playful. I like that. So let's just open it up and see what it's giving. Each contacts come in their own box. So I have 4 contacts. I'll be trying on 4 contacts from JUST4KIRA. Yes, and you could use my discount code Millie20 to get your natural color eye contacts, period. So the first color I'm going to be trying is SL29 brown. They all come with this jar, and I will be using this jar to fill the contact solution in this because, child, the solution that it comes with, I don't know, I just prefer this one. It's just more lubricated for my eyes. Yeah, make sure you wash your hands. And yes, I'm going to be putting my eye contacts off camera because it's gonna be a hot mess. So fill it up with the solution, left and right. And I'm just gonna put the contacts in there so it could be moisturized for my eyes. Contact does come in a solution already, but child, it's been in this same solution since it was in China. I need something fresh, so I'm gonna put it on right now. Double 4. Y'all, this color is so pretty. It complements me so well. Like, honestly, yo, this looks so natural. Like, honestly, so pretty, so pretty, so in love. Let me take a thumbnail picture. I love how they don't give that pixelated look. First of all, let's like big purr. Let's go on to the next color. So I took that out. So now the next color will be SL70. Yeah, I didn't mention it, but I just bought this at Walgreens. I believe it was $5. Yeah. Now that I've done that, just gonna put the contacts in there. Transport the contacts from here to here. Yes, like once again, this is 00. No prescriptions. So let's see. This one is mysterious. This one is mysterious. It does complement my brown eyes a lot. It's different. It's like a yellow undertone, but like you see, like it goes for the brown eyes. SL29 is still my favorite, but this is cute. I don't give that pixelated, so they got that. They doing what they gotta do. If you feeling this one, use my discount code Millie20 to get your 20% off. But yeah, let's head over to the next color. So now we're gonna try Maury Brown. And once again, I have no prescription. I just want y'all to know. Prescription is 0.00. One thing I would say is be careful not to scratch your contacts. It's just not safe once you scratch them. It irritates the eye. makes it uncomfortable. This one is super pretty. Okay, Moria or Mora Brown. She's doing this thing. I really love this color. Like, it's super, it's giving brown, but it's so pretty. It's like a yellowish brown, but it's like so cute. Sorry for the head bobble, but like, I just am at loss for lack of a term. I need to exaggerate with my body for y'all to understand what I'm saying, because I just don't have the word. Like, it's so pretty. It just looks like fox eyes. It's giving foxy. Yeah. So pretty. Yeah, once again, 0.00 prescription. I don't have any prescriptions in it. These are this. It's so pretty. Oh, don't forget to use my discount code Millie20 for 20% off. Moira. Let's ask Siri how to pronounce it. Moira Brown. I don't know where they got that name from. I don't know what that means, but so pretty. It's like so pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna take some pictures because it's just so pretty. And let's take these off. Let's move on to the next color. All right, you already know the vibes. We're trying on the last contacts, and you already know the vibes. We're just gonna fill our solution in the container, and the contact soak up the moisture from the solution. And this contact color is crystal brown. I'm excited. Let's see what crystal brown is gonna give. This is the last one. Once again, this is no prescription, 0.00. So yeah, I got 20/20 vision. Oh my god, I was gonna say nothing was gonna top SL29, but like, this is so naturally pretty. Like, I'm looking in the mirror and I'm like, I thought this was a natural color, but it's just so, it's so subtle. Like, that black rim around it, it's just like, it makes it look like more organic. Like, oh my god. I really thought I had no contacts on, because I was like, wait a minute, this looks too natural, but it's like so pretty. Like, I really like this one. Like, I thought nothing was gonna top SL29, but this is doing it. Like, this is gonna have to bump everybody, and this is going on right on the top. I did not expect that. Yeah, this is what is this color? Crystal brown is doing its thing. Make sure you use my discount code Millie20 for 20% off. But yeah, this looks so good, guys. I tried on all 4 contacts. Comment down your favorite color. Crystal brown is my favorite, actually. Now trying all of them on, crystal brown is crystal brown is number 1. So yeah, that's all I have to say. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Period.